Hey y'all, let me show you my version of the taste what pork can do Cuban sandwich. All right, so we have 1.5 pounds of ground pork. Now I just got 1.5 tablespoons of my favorite barbecue seasoning. You can use whichever one you like. But even though pork already has plenty of flavor itself, it's just gonna help make one tasty sandwich. We wanna section it out into about 6 meatballs. We're just gonna go for about that size. It just kind of fits in your palm. So we're just taking our meatball, we're getting it shaped out into like an oblong shape because we are using a French roll today. So we're gonna get it about like that, about the length of your hand. Get it over this medium-high heat griddle. Kind of give it a little press. And we're just gonna keep going. All right, now when we got our patties cooking, I got us 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We're just gonna get those mixed together. It's gonna look about like that. Well, we're gonna go ahead and check on this first one and give it a flip. Now, you wanna get your ground pork cooked to 160 degrees internally for it to be safe to eat. Well, that's what we like to see right there. Now, while our pork finishes up on this side, we're gonna go ahead and take some of our thinly sliced smoked ham. Now, I'm doing 2 pieces of ham per sandwich. I just want to go ahead and get it laid down on this side. We're going to go ahead and get our ham flipped. Go ahead and take our first pork patty and just lay it on top of that ham. We're going to take our mayonnaise and Dijon mixture. We're just going to give it a good little spread on there. Then we're going to take our ham and our patty and get it on there. We're going to add our 2 pieces of Swiss. Buy our bread and butter pickles. I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Now, I prefer to do the melted butter. It's just a little bit easier for me. Get that sandwich down. Now, I'm gonna take my press and I'm just gonna set it down on my griddle. I just want my press to get good and hot. Now that our press is hot, we're just gonna give these sandwiches a nice press. All right, let's get these sandwiches off. All right, I got me one picked out. Let's get us a bite. Lord mercy, it's good.